Hi mga foodies, good morning. Today magluluto tayo ng isang pambansang ulam din. Ito yung tawag nating sukangon. So for the ingredients, so we have our sukangon local. Gamit namin ito. And then we have our pork. So hindi tayo gamit ng chicken liver kasi ayaw ng mga bata ng may liver yung sukangon natin. So just pork lang. Tapos we have, yan, slice ko na yung garlic, we have onions, and then we have the bell pepper. And then we have sayote. Yan, slice ko na, and then we have carrots. Masarap kayo marami sa gulay. Then we have cabbage. So, slice ko lang yung cabbage natin. And then we have baggy beans. Yan. Tapos na-dry nor cube para mas malasa mamaya yung nilagyan natin. Siyempre, we have the cooking oil. So, yung ginagamit namin is coconut oil from Marlon Yon. Yan, baka naman. So, yun. So, ito lang yung mga ingredients natin for today. Saan lutuin natin sa kamot. Tara, samahan niyo ako pagluluto.